All right, everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we are going to do something new today. We're going to shill on my channel instead of the comments of the Stallion's videos. So, all right, what's the shade for today? Today is Matti Monday. We are going to use Matti Lindholm Shaving Supplies, Cool Orange. If you're interested, hit me up. Description below will have the email address. I have plenty of Matti soaps, and this is one of the ones I have right now. This has been on Facebook Marketplace. This is the Rex Envoy. Normally 175 with the base. I've got it up for 108. I will not be going down from that number. So, because I've been watching Johan, or shall I say one of the Johan's videos, he does use Matti soap, you know, Swedish flag, of course. He's going to use Matti soap. It's good stuff too. So, we're going to load from the tub today, and we're going to face lather. I am using my Gillette. If y'all guys look, you can see the Gillette logo. Anyways, it was re-knotted by J.R. Reyes. I did clean the knot out, and this is going to be the first go with it. It's pretty small, so it should be easy to tub load. See how it goes. Left some water in the tips. We're going to enjoy the cool orange, see how it works out for me. This may not be a good lather, guys, because I'm not great at face lathering. Man, I think I left a lot of water in there. But we'll see how it goes. I'm sure I'm going to have plenty enough for a 2-pass shave. We're using a second use Gillette Nacet in the Rex Envoy when I'm done with the Envoy. And I've been told the Envoy is like the Ambassador set on 3. I think that's way more than enough. Rinse it out. That wasn't a miserable loading experience. All right. Yeah, the Envoy tends to have decent blade feel. So if you do like some aggression, you will get it from the Rex line. Almost feel like I'm going to need to add more water immediately. Paint it on. There we go. I mean, I know my last video was face lathering, but I wanted to use this brush and I wanted to face lather with it. So we're doing it again. And it fits perfectly in the Matti Lindholm tub. Like, it just works out. I was doing a Matti Monday today, no matter what brush I was using. It just so happened that this allowed me to try to tub load. Because like I said, I was watching Johan over there at Shaving Butcher. And if you're interested in who Shaving Butcher is, you don't have any clue, you are missing out. He'd be in the description below for channels mentioned. You can just click on his name. He'll show you what his channel's about. But he was loading from the tub, so I figured I'd give it a go. See how it goes. It's really thick down here on the neck. I do have irritation on my neck, and I think it's from that day that I went for the pickup pass and really just did a 3rd pass and truly went against the grain on my neck there. Like everything I could, all the no-nos I shouldn't do, I did. And I do have some, like right here and a little right there. That's where we've got some irritation going on. So it's a good day to use a safety razor, even though it's a slightly blade feely, aggressive. I'm using the term aggressive loosely. But, you know, it's not like a Henson or the Carve. It is more aggressive than those. It's more aggressive than my Valley, my Edwin Jagger, my PAA Ascension. So, gives you an idea. I think we got a decent little lather going on right here. Give it a use, second use in a set. And there's nothing wrong with this razor, it's just, I think I told y'all. It sits on my counter. Doesn't get use really. I got other razors with stands right next to it on my bathroom sink, and it just gets reached over because I enjoy other razors a little more. It's not a bad shaver. It's a nice heavy razor. stainless steel. And really comfortable, actually. It's not a bad shaver. I just have other preferences, you know? Like if I reach for a razor on my countertop, I will go for my Supply sometimes because it's right next to it. And I know Supply isn't like the hobbyist side of things, but I do like that injector razor. And, you know, I got the polished copper and it's nice. All right. Starting to want to bloop. Working in, I do think I opened up something right here from the irritation that I had. But other than that, everything's going well. Smooth shave, feels good. This is a really nice orange. Like, guys, Matti's orange is like you just stuck your finger in the rind of the orange and went to open it up. You know, like peel it. It smells that good. And the menthol, it's nothing like DK Arctic Freeze. It's manageable. I believe it is at the same strength as Ecto Cooler. So really exciting. It's nice and cool though. I don't know if I'd say this is beginner level, but it's definitely a lot different. Super gentle right there. As you can see, that's where I hit it. I noticed Mike Schultz commented in a video. I haven't responded back yet, I will. He commented something like, I see you got rid of your ingrowns, what'd you do? I took some time off and stopped doing crazy stuff. And I say crazy stuff like, I know I'm pushing it and I shouldn't. And then I did a shave where I pushed it, and I think I'm back to having a little bit of ingrown hair. Man, it's a nice shave. I do enjoy it. It's a good little razor, but we're gonna get rid of it. We just don't need everything we have. I mean, I want a lot of things, but doesn't mean I need it all. So, someone hit me up if you're interested. Like I said, in the description below. Very nice. Nice and cooling, but it's not making my eyes water like DK Arctic Freeze did. So we're gonna rinse up, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, and we're back, guys. So we're gonna follow up with some 2-in-1 Nivea Aftershave. I've got two. I can't remember who the other one was that sent me my backup, but this one came from Nomeo, Shaving with Nomeo. So greatly appreciate that, Nomeo. He occasionally puts up a video here and there. I'll try to put his channel below, but he's not quite as active as he used to be. This is a skin foodie type aftershave. I don't know if there's alcohol in it. You don't get burned from it. But it's a nice shower gel type scent. Very enjoyable. I don't think they sell it here in the States anymore. So if you want it, like I think you got to get it in the UK. And they may not even sell it there anymore. I don't know. Wanted to wipe it down. My hands were a little slippery. Alright, so we did wipe down the Rex Envoy, took the blade out. Use the Lancaster to wipe it clean. I like how they put the serial number on the back so they can tell you year and all that good stuff. It's very Gillette in that style, but it goes in the stand like this. Very nice grippy on this razor. The knurling's really nice. So I know I didn't do a great face lather, but it did what it was supposed to do. It provided slickness for a good shave. But I do like the little knot. I like this. This used to be, it really needed a new knot. Whatever was put in here was really rough and bristly, and it was supposed to be badger. It was probably goat hair. I don't know. It was a bad knot. Got a new one in there. Thank you, JR. And it's good to go. And it's a nice little Gillette. It's a made in England Gillette brush. So, and I don't know if this is silver tip or what. I'm sure it's probably maggots that went in there, but I'd be lying, you know, if I tried to say for sure. I'm not going to cover it up because we did tub load. But cool orange from Matti Lindholm Shaving Supplies. All right, everybody. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I hope to see y'all tomorrow with another Shill Harder Week shave. All right, guys. Have a good one.